Well, I'm back out in the same line I shot that doe out of from over there. I'm gonna give it another try out here. See if I can get something out over here or over here. So what I'm gonna do is set my tripod up right there. And if I see any deer, you'll see them too. Well, that's enough for now. As you can see, it's pretty dark out. So, I saw 3 or 4, 2 does for sure. By the time I got the camera up, they were in the back. I tried to zoom in, you couldn't see them. So I'm gonna leave that out. And then I just saw another one. And I usually am back by now, but I spent so long trying to figure out what it was. It just got dark. Whatever it was a deer, obviously, but had its head down, eating, and its ass facing me the whole time. So, I look pretty small anyways. But, I'm going to try it again next weekend. I'm running out of time here, but at least I got one. That's not good. Christmas time in the city. Focus. Snow and traffic. I'm supposed to get 10 inches of snow tomorrow. I better get some gas. It has not stopped snowing yet today. All day. And I left my backpack in the truck. This is right here. All night. We're under a warning. Still coming down. See where my truck was. Supposed to stop today. And maybe another storm Saturday. So to give you a perspective. That's how much snow we got. And it's still snowing. Oh well. Well, as you can see, I got a bunch more snow. So, today I'm going to undig the quad. Clean up this horde a little bit. I just turned the heat on out here. First time this year, but I'm going to take this out in the snow. It ain't the easiest way to pack a pipe. Just trust me on that. Waterproof matches. See how well those worked? So, I knocked everything over. I tore this whole place apart looking for an extension cord to plug in my trickle charger. And I found none of them. What I found was an old light with the extension part. I honestly didn't know I had it. I haven't seen it in 10 years. But I just looked through every nook and cranny, and I've got 15 extension cords. Not anymore. So, what's weird is the green light's on that says the battery's fully charged. So, I think that might be done for. Hell yes. Mr. Buddy just fired right up. She can get warm. Whew. Hello and hi. Well, that's all I got for now. Not gonna be doing too much here. Just got back downstairs and getting ready for the work week here. Busy weekend. Christmas coming up next weekend. So, I'm gonna be doing too many videos. But ice fishing's coming up. So that'll be a lot of fun. People are already on the ice, but it's not very thick. So, that's up next. Till then, take it easy.